Hi and welcome back to another video in this channel. My name is Martha Makwata. If you're seeing my face for the first time, it means you're a new person in this channel. Kindly remember to subscribe, to like, to comment, and even to share the video. Today I'm bringing to you a recipe of a cake. I'm preparing cake for breakfast, for our breakfast tomorrow. So kindly enjoy the video. Okay, so for my ingredients, I'll use all-purpose flour. I have some that remained here after making chapati. Then cardamom for the scent. Today I don't have vanilla essence, so sorry, I'm making a cardamom cake. I'll also use some cinnamon to just finish the egg smell in the cake. I'm using 4 eggs, a glass of sugar, baking powder, and I'll also use margarine, which is here. This margarine has been melted. So yes, welcome. Let's move to the process. Okay, to start us off, I've added margarine and some sugar into this bowl. Forgive my counter, there's a lot of things laying on top of the counter. These are things that are usually here. So let me beat this. Move to the next step. So this is the way our batter looks. It's not yet butter anyway, but this is the way the mixture of sugar and margarine looks like. So we'll move to the next step, and our next step is to measure our flour. So that's what I'm about to do just now. Kindly. So that's 1 glass. I'm using 3 tumblers, so I'll repeat the same process. It's okay, you can pause this. So this is our last glass, and I want to add a teaspoon of baking powder. You can see it nicely. I hope you're able to see. So I'm adding a teaspoon of baking powder. Let me use my left hand so that you're able to see properly. Yeah. So I'll put these aside. Okay, so I'm adding our flour into this mixture of margarine and sugar. And then I'll just mix it. Let me come back once. So I've had to wipe the countertop to work on a clean surface. This is the way our mixture looks like. Let me just give it a good focus for you to see. Yeah, that's the way it looks. So the next thing I'm adding are these eggs. What I didn't introduce to you is water. This water, I'll add it to our dough, and I'm also adding our flavor, cinnamon and cardamom. So I'm adding in our cinnamon, just a little bit, and our cardamom. That is about 1/4 teaspoon. And cardamom also about the same amount. I hope you're able to see. Yes. So I'll now add in our eggs, and I want to add one by one as we beat. It's ready. I've already mixed it. I've also prepared our baking pan, this glass baking pan. And what I did is I applied margarine and then I dusted it with flour. And it is as good as the baking papers. So right now I don't have baking paper, so we improvise. So this is our batter. And I want to have everything in the pan before I can straighten it. So I guess we've gotten as much as we can from the bowl. So this is a very big cake that we'll use for breakfast tomorrow. So I'll give it about 5 minutes for it to settle so that I put it into the oven to bake. So, and be sure to tune in to see how it will turn out. I'm sure it will become a very beautiful cake. So until the next one, I'll show you the pictures of this cake, but ensure you subscribe. So this is the final product of our cake, the one that we were baking. And so I'm sure my family will enjoy the breakfast. My phone is really acting up, but hopefully you are able to see it. I'll insert the pictures also. So until the next video, bye for now.